Hey, real estate pros. Are you running Google or Meta ad, but seeing clicks but no qualified leads? So might be like you are not doing the right things and you are like wasting your money, right? So there are few big mistakes a camping manager do when they start their camping, right? If we talk about Meta ad, might be they are targeting too broad, right? Let's say if they are promoting their properties uh, which is premium, right, 80 lakh plus, but the person is targeting everyone up to 10 or 15 miles or like 15 kilometers or 20 30 kilometers, and might be everyone is coming on that range, right? Even those who are renters or might be who are like whose budget are not more than 30 lakhs, so it will waste your money, right? It will show your ads to everyone who will click but not going to convert, right? So in that case you can target high income zips, or maybe you can find those people who are interested in luxury goods or investing on high valued product, right? Another thing, if you are running Google ads, might be like your customers exist locally and you are running some local Google ads to promote your property, right? So in that case, uh, the mistake done by a camping manager is like they uh, use broad targeting keywords, right? Even if they are using like keywords with phrase match or exact match, sometimes short keywords do not converts because they find the exact person searching using that particular keyword, but they are not willing to buy, right? So long tail keywords with your location, like let's say for example home for sale in New Delhi. So adding this location will qualify more those leads, right? So that is better. Let's say uh, luxury condos for sale near me. So these are few phrases which can qualify better those leads, right? uh, so I think you should stop paying only for clicks and you should focus on conversions, whether they are the leads which are coming in are getting converted or not, or they are good fit. The targeting people whom you are showing your ads are good for fit for your business or not, whether after giving their contact numbers and email whether they will convert or not. So these are the things you should focus on. uh, and if you want to know exactly where your budget is leaking, right, I'm offering a limited time free 5 point review of your current campaign, right? So all you have to do is DM me with the word ad audit right now, and we will audit your ad campaign if that is not performing well, right? My name is Abhinandan and I am a digital marketer, and we have a small team with name Ganesha in Delaware, and you can connect with me for web designing, development and digital marketing stuff. Thank you very much.